going to be a wet hike today. We are going to get drenched.
I'm ready.
It's okay. It's all part of the adventure.
Exactly. Got a raincoat.
Okay. The fire danger is moderate today.
Pouring down rain.
I'd love to see it on a low day. I think we'd have to bring a canoe.
We have our picnic ready to go so we can eat before we get going. But we are in southern Indiana today to something that is known as the Little Smokies, Brown County State Park. So we parked at the nature center for day one because it is closer to the hiking trails. So from the nature center, we are taking trail number 6. That's the first part of our journey here, and we are going down to Lake Strahl. So taking that from the nature center down trail number 6, and we'll see what the lake looks like. Well, trail 6 is turning out to be pretty good. It's not too muddy. There is a lot of water on it, and we are right now on this staircase, which because of the water, the stairs are actually a little bit difficult to see as you're walking down, so we have to be a little bit extra careful. But fortunately, the stairs are not slippery. They're really pretty. So some awesome news, even though it's raining fairly moderately and it's springtime, so the leaves have not come in fully. The canopy is thick enough that we really are not getting that rained on. So the trails, yeah, they're a little bit muddy, but you know, waterproof boots, we got that. And you know, if you waited till all the weather was perfect for you, you'd never get out of the house. So you just gotta take to the trails, right? So we also found a geocache, which is pretty awesome. Geocaches in state parks have to be by permit only, so they are not that frequent. So we're pretty excited we found one.
There it is. Okay. We can see Strahl Lake. Did we decide on the name? Strahl Lake? Strahl Lake?
Strahl? I think it's
Strahl?
Strahl.
Strahl Lake.
Maybe we can ask the park ranger at some point.
Ah, look at this. You know, it looks like an old farmer's mill pond. It's what, 7 acres? You know, I wonder how much traffic this gets. It kind of sits off of a single spur. It probably does just by virtue of being close to the campground. I'm gonna include that. I'm gonna include that finger in the shot. That was for free.
Perfect. Stopped raining for just a little bit. We got to the end of it, of the trail to Strahl Lake, and now we're going, it's a loop, like a lollipop, so it has the spur down, and then it's like a lollipop around, and then we'll head back to the nature center for our next trail.
I really hope this comes out on the camera, but I see a little skink right down here. Is it a skink or a salamander? I'm not sure, but he clearly was not expecting us. Oh, don't run away, buddy. Don't run away. Oh, you're pretty. He is copper. Looks like a little gold dragon. Love it. I think that might be a first time I've seen a skink out in the wild. He's a beauty. There he goes. So back in the 1930s, when the CCC began construction here, they actually planted those pine trees along with black locust trees and black walnut trees to basically hold the banks topsoil, because they were suffering from erosion. At one point this area was really heavily forested. You know, as an inexperienced hiker, I am always very glad to see stairs versus having to scramble up steep slopes.
I like down better than up.
This is a lot of stairs, I'm not gonna lie.
We're back at the nature center, finished Trail 6, rehydrating. Check it out. Mega new bottle that I got from the thrift store.
I nicknamed it Barney.
Now we're here, and the next thing we're going to do is go through this campground area to get to trail number 5 and attempts to see if we can spot one of those yellow wood trees. Supposedly there's one on the trail. I hope they have it marked.
Thanks for joining us on trail number 6 in Brown County State Park. If you like the trail, please consider liking and subscribing. Then head over to our next video where we explore trail number 5 in Brown County and look for the elusive yellowwood tree.